How do we continue to find such low-mileage cars? This beautiful 2005 ES330 has only 37,000 miles and includes all of the wonderful equipment that Lexus has to offer. Heated and cooled front seats, sunroof, leather, CD changer, dual-zone climate control, and the list goes on and on. Of course, this is a certified car having completed our 161-point inspection and carries Lexus's 3 years per 100,000-mile warranty. Call Dennis Van Valkenburg or Scott Sloan today to schedule a test drive and see for yourself why Lexus continues to be #1.